Students, this is NCERT exercise problem 2.24 from page number 70 of structure of atom, right? So let's read the statement. What is the lowest value of n that allows g orbitals to exist? Okay, so in this case, you have to tell about the lowest value of n. That means the least or the minimum orbit that will allow g orbitals to exist, right? So to find out the g orbital's existence, first of all, we should know about the value of L for g orbital, right? So definitely, if I am having value of L over here, it will decide the orbital, right? So if I am having 0, the orbital will be S. Okay, so 1 P, 2 D and 3 F. Then afterwards, if I am having L equal to 4, the orbital will be G, right? So definitely I know that the value of n is always more than L. That means if I want to know about the lowest value of n, what I'll do, I'll simply add 1 in L, right? So here I am having value of L equal to 4. So n equal to 4 plus 1. That means fifth orbit will allow the g orbitals to exist, right? So you can write over here, if I am having L should be always less than n, right? So in this case, I can say that if I am having n equal to 1, definitely L will be 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, so in this case, I'll have S orbital. Now this L's value will be 0 to n minus 1. That means this much possible orbitals will exist for the value of n, right? So if I am having the value of n equal to 2, definitely the possible number of L's value will be 0, 2 minus 1, that means 1. So the number of orbitals, definitely for 0 it will be S and for 1 it will be P. Okay, so if I am having the value of n equal to 3, the possible value of L will be 0, 1, 3 minus 1, that means 2. So the possible orbitals are S, P and D. If I am having n's value equal to 4, the possible values of L will be 0, 1, 2, 4 minus 1, 3. So the orbitals are S, P, D, F. Now in fifth orbit, the possible values of L will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 5 minus 1, 4. Now in this case, that means in fifth orbit, we will have orbitals S, P, D, F and G. You can write over here 5, the value of n is the lowest value that allows g orbitals to exist.